Today I'm gonna make a delicious dessert for you. Stay tuned. Alright, now we're gonna start off with our ice cream. Okay, so first we add our milk. Alright, then we're gonna add the sugar. I use raw turbinado sugar. You could go ahead and use whatever sugar you like. Now, just a word, if you use turbinado sugar like I did, you're gonna have to mix it a little bit longer for the turbinado sugar to dissolve into the milk. If you use regular white sugar, it'll dissolve much quicker. Alright, now I added my vanilla extract in powder form. You can use liquid form. You're gonna mix it until everything's dissolved, then you're gonna add your cream. Once you add your cream, you're gonna give it a little stir just to combine it, nothing more. Stick it in your refrigerator until it's cold. Then we're gonna put it in our ice cream maker, and you're gonna follow your instructions for the ice cream maker that your manufacturer provided for you. Now that the ice cream is made, let's go to caramelize our plantains. You're gonna get you a plantain. You're gonna cut it up however you like to. This is how I cut mine up. And then we're gonna coat it. We're gonna start with some cinnamon, some coconut sugar, right? A little bit of salt, and our hands, because our hands is one of the best tools in the kitchen. We're gonna mix it up, make sure it's coated, and I fried mine in coconut oil because I think coconut oil goes great with plantains. It just adds to the flavor, in my opinion. And once it's all cooked, you're gonna remove it from the heat, and we're gonna get ready to create over here with our waffle bowl. So this is optional. If you wanna doing all the extra stuff like I do, go ahead and get yourself a waffle bowl ready. You can also make it on pancakes or just regular waffles. It don't have to be a waffle bowl like I did. It's your kitchen. But here I'm gonna make you a waffle bowl. Alright. Everything goes so neat and nice inside that waffle bowl. And now I'm gonna set up first in a regular bowl. I'm gonna set up my plantains, try to make it look good. And here's the ice cream, because I can't get enough. I gotta get like three scoops. Oh, psych, 4. Add the waffle right there. Whipped cream. And there you go. Caramelized plantain bowl. Now, if you want to be fancy, use a waffle bowl like I did. Because, YOLO. Add your little 2 scoops whipped cream, make it look pretty. Serve it to yourself, your guests, loved ones, whoever you want. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have more content coming for you. Have a great day.